guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. So today we are going to be changing this wig. Is a old wig, and I bleached the closure before, so it was so soft and it was pulling from the middle. It's too wide, then I have to turn it to change it. Now what I'm going to be doing, I make this wig myself. I will be taking it down from the old cap and stitch it in new cap. This is the new cap I will be using, and I have a old closure before. I just use it for 2 times, then I take it out. I will be using it for this old wig. Taking it out, then I use by mistake to cut it with scissors. It's okay, I can still use it. It's just to stitch that place. So here is the old cap, and this is the weave on I take out already. So moving to the sewing now, I will just use pin to clip the cap on the dome head, then start stitching it one after the other. I will repeat this process until I stitch everything. If you want to stitch your hair, you don't allow a lot of like big gap. Don't leave a big gap. You have to just be stitching it like this, the way I'm doing it. Then you repeat the process until it's finished. I didn't turn it because it's old wig hair. I can cut it if I want to cut it. I was not just turning it. So keep watching.
Psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that.
After I'm done stitching it, I'll just use comb to divide it into 2 for center part. Then I will brush it to be okay. If there is a space, I still have, if there is a space, I should add to it, and I don't want to add also that will be too full. Then after that, I will move to trimming because I'm going to be turning it to short bob. The down is weak. If I say let me leave it, the hair is like 20 to 24 inches. So now I want to use it to change to short bob. After trimming it, I will wash it, leave it for daybreak so that it will dry. Then the next day, I start stretching the wig.
It's like every time I like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess
So guys, I'm done bobbing it or straightening it. Then the little one up, I'll just use scissors to trim it out that is standing so that everything will flat. Here is the final look, guys. If you have not yet subscribed, please just hit that subscribe down below, turn on notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. If you have old wig that you are not using, don't trash it. All you have to do, take it out and get a new wig cap, a new closure, and change it again. Thank you. Bye.